Yo, what's good, family? It's your boy Ronnie, and today we're gonna discuss my Sunday's watch list. Okay, yeah, we're doing something a little different today because, like I said, I'm not in my studio. I'm still out of town at mom's, getting right for the holidays. A little family time. But I do not want to leave you guys hanging for your Sunday's watch list, and make sure that you capitalize on these plays for next week. All right, so for the first play we're gonna get into is going to be RIOT. All right, so what's up with RIOT? RIOT is a Bitcoin mining business that profits off the increase in prices of Bitcoin. Why is that important? Look, Bitcoin is at 27K right now, a coin. That's substantial from over the weekend, over the break. It was like at 24, like a few days ago, like around right before Christmas, right before the market closed, and now it's like up 4K. So what that means for RIOT? All right, RIOT is going to go up as Bitcoin goes up. The reason why is RIOT profits off the increase of the coin because of the operation cost to make one coin. The operation cost does not change. So for instance, let's say it takes $10,000 to create one Bitcoin. So if the price of Bitcoin goes under 10,000, they're at a deficit. So you're gonna see that stock drop. But everything above 10,000 makes the value of that company increase. So if it takes 10K to make one Bitcoin and now it's at 27K a coin, you're looking at a 17K profit every time they mine a coin. That stock is going to go up this week. So if you want to get some gains, you hop up in that one. All right, next we're going to talk about LCA. Now let's talk about RMG first. We want to keep this in order. All right, tomorrow RMG is going to have a meeting for a merger with Romeo Power. All right, so they do the hardware for electric vehicle batteries. EV specs are booming right now. The last spec I put you guys on was that PIC did merge with XL Fleet. Okay, so what happened that time? It went up 90% that week, like 2 days after the merger. So if you listen to my last few videos, you make great gains off that merger. It will be the same for RMG doing this merger with Romeo Power. That is tomorrow. So they have the meeting. Say the meeting gets approved. They approve the merger. Between Monday night to Tuesday, that ticker symbol is going to start its transition to RMO. You're going to see that ticker symbol change to RMO. A lot of people can't trade during that transition. Some of you Robinhooders, you can do that. So if you got Robinhood, you're good. But if you don't have Robinhood, you need to buy RMG tomorrow, like ASAP-ish. All right, so when that happens, the transitions, and now come like late Tuesday or maybe for sure Wednesday, everybody can hop in. That's why you'll see that thing shoot up, because not everybody's in on the game. I'm trying to get you in these plays early. All right, now let's talk about LCA. LCA will do the exact same thing the next day, Tuesday. All right, so Tuesday is pending a merger with Golden Nugget. Guys, make sure you go vote. Like, if you are an owner of a share on LCA, get in there and vote. Just like you vote for the president, vote for this merger, because you want these gains. Last time it was supposed to merge a few weeks back, we didn't have enough voters. It didn't merge. Yo, go vote. You are what's called a retail shareholder. Go in there and vote. There will be a link that I will put out to you guys the day of that, which is Tuesday, and we're going to get this voting going. Yo, we trying to get these gains this week, straight up. All right, so the next one I want to talk to you guys about is APXT. APXT is slowly but surely gaining on us. I told you guys about this. It is going to be having a merger come Q1. Yo, get in on it. Get in on that. And right now it's like roughly at $16. It's a good buy. It's a better buy at 15, but don't worry, that's going to double. That's going to give us a double up. So if you get in there early, once everybody else starts to get on board, you're already in there. You can ride that wave up. That's the part of the game. That's how you win. All right, and the reason why APXT is important is doing a merger with AvePoint. AvePoint is a cloud-based data management system for Microsoft. Microsoft is a great company. You like to invest in SPACs that are going to do business with great companies. So get in on that. And SBE, ChargePoint. A lot of you guys heard about ChargePoint. Some of you guys haven't. What is ChargePoint? Okay, ChargePoint is a charge-based system. It manages charging phones. You'll see them like in the airports and stuff, and maybe different sports arenas. It also get into the realm of charging vehicles. Reason why this is important, because the Secretary of Transportation is pro adding charge stations to public transportation. They have the capacity to get in the bid and win there. So you want to be on front of that. That is pending a merger January 15th. You want to be in on these things before they merge, before people start thinking about the merge. You want to get in. That's how you win. And now, 2 under the radar stocks I want you to look at. Fuel cell, FCEL. It's reached new highs. It's touched 13. It looks like it's not going anywhere. It's clean energy resources, and it looks like it's here to stay. I would like to get it around 12 or 11, but just watch it. It might keep going. But I do think it might be a little dip point around the low 12s, and you hop in. I think that thing's going to be a 30 piece as well. Look at LAC, Lithium Americas. Lithium Americas is also the creation of lithium batteries. This goes into the EVs. So you want to hop in on this stock because it's slow growth. So it's not going to be like your quick hitters like your LCA, your RMG, or your APXT or your SBE, but that's slow growth. You should see that thing double up somewhere in 2021 for sure. You hear the dogs outside, they like the stocks. So just get in on it. I wouldn't steer you wrong, but I'm also not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you the plays that I'm in on, that I'm investing heavily on, and I'm just showing you guys how I win. So as far as road to 10K is concerned, road to 10K, Monday, we in RMG. All right, RMG, we're going to ride that wave up, and ideally that thing doubles, or it gives us at least 50 to 90% gains by Wednesday. Get out of that, hop in LCA. LCA should start taking off that Thursday. So it might be some wiggle room if it doesn't take off immediately after the merger. Some wiggle room to hop in Thursday and ride that wave up. It could double, but it might find resistance around the late 30s to 40s. But anyways, there's still gains this week. I'm looking to flip that road to 10K and come out on the back end around 8K to even 10K, maybe even more. But look, just let you know my plays for this week. And if you have any questions, please comment in the section below. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Hey, it's a must I give you the word of the day, right? All right, the word of the day is FOMO, or also known as fear of missing out. The reason why I want to give you this word for today is because it's some great plays coming up this week, but maybe you don't have the money to put it in these plays this week. That's okay. Do not fall into the FOMO, the fear of missing out, where once you get the money, you want to throw it into these stocks after the plays have already come to fruition, after they already completed. And now you're looking stagnant with your money in these plays and they're not moving and you're wondering what's going on. Look, I'm going to keep giving you plays every week. Every week I'm going to give you some plays. Do not hop in these plays all after the fact. Like, Riot is going to be a play you want to hop in like Monday. RMG is a play you're going to want to hop in Monday. Maybe you have some opportunity Wednesday morning to hop in it. If you're a Robin Hooder, you got some opportunity Tuesday. But come Thursday, actually, RMG still good for Thursday. But the gains are going to hit. There's going to be some sell-off. So even Thursday, you're going to see some sell-off. So hop in these plays when I tell you guys. That way, you don't end up out there without seeing those gains. It's just stagnant now. It's not moving. And you guys are wondering what's going on because you had a fear of missing out. So you just hopped in after you saw it rise. That's not the best practice. The best practice is hop in the beginning and then ride it up and then you sell. That way you're on the front end of things. You always want to be on the front end of things. Don't fall into fear of missing out. If you missed out on the play, that's okay. I'm going to keep giving you plays. I'm going to keep telling you new plays. So just make sure your money's right for the next one. And that way you can capitalize on that fully. And that way you don't be out there in the water looking for a raft or somebody to come save you. So, hey, that's all I got for you guys. And I hope you have a great holiday. I'll be kicking out some more videos come tomorrow talking about RMG. And Tuesday talking about LCA, and we're gonna make some money this week, and we're gonna have a happy new year. All right, peace.